Hi, I know that why you are come here. Yes, there are many questions raising in your mind about React, like what is React, how does React work, what you should already know, what does a React developer do, React developer salary. This is the main question, huh? I know that. Let's find the answer. Hi, this is Bhavesh Sharma. वेट, अभी आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये वीडियो के टाइटल में था इन हिंदी, पर ये इंग्लिश क्यों बोल रहा है। तो बात ऐसा है ना भाई, कि अगर आप इंटरव्यू देने के लिए जाएंगे तो इंटरव्यूअर आपसे हिंदी में तो क्वेश्चन करने वाला नहीं है। सो ये जस्ट इंट्रो पार्ट है। इसके बाद जितने हमारे प्रोग्रामिंग फाइल्स आएंगे और प्रोग्रामिंग पार्ट्स आएंगे वो सारे हिंदी में होने वाले हैं। सो डोंट वेरी अबाउट दैट, ओके। So the first question is, what is the React? Let's first explore the interesting world of React, alternative spelled as a React.JS and a ReactJs. React is an open source JavaScript library that specializes in building UI. Now you thinking what is the UI? Let's know about that. So let's simply put, UI is a terms that describe any element that allow user to interact and communicate with the information saved in device like laptop, tablet, smartphone, etc. User interface is the primary point of contact between human and modern computer, like keyboard, mouse, computer, texted, and desktop layout are some of the best example of UI. I think now you got it. Let's more know about React. So, React make it simple and easy to build website and app, create UI test case, reuse code on website to its mobile counterpart, and improving UI and performance of web application. It's enough to use where JavaScript required. So our first question has been done. Let's take another question, which is, how does React work? React create a virtual DOM in your memory. Now you have one more question. What is DOM? So DOM is document object model. If I'm going to show you, then he is looking like that. Okay. Don't worry, I will show you in next video when we will write some code. Instead of manipulating the browser DOM directly, React create a virtual DOM in your memory where it does all necessary manipulating. Before making the change in the browser demo, React only change what need to be changed. React find out change have been made and change only what does need to be changed. Now the next question is, what does a React developer do? So basically they are known as a front end developer, a subgroup of developer that manage everything that users see on their web browser or application. In other words, they are responsible for the look and feel of a website or application to ensure seamless experience for a user. So the menu button, online form, the graphic icon, image, voice recognition like Siri and Cortana, and gesture-driven interface. For example, pinching the smartphone screen to zoom in and out are just a few of exciting things that a React developer can do. So I'm using all the time React developer, and you thinking what is the React developer? So let's get the answer of that question. Have you seen that Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn from the concept of testing? A React developer can help you build interactive component for your website or mobile application and web application using the React development concept. And by the way, Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn developed by React developer. One question raising in your mind right now is, before React, his website are not looking good? So it's the answer of that question is no. Before React.js was introduced, developer back then were stuck building UIs using raw JavaScript or with the jQuery. This meant that the development process took longer with more room for error and bugs. To solve this problem, Facebook engineer Jordan Walker created React.JS. This is the first React prototype in 2011. Today, more and more enterprise benefit for React.js, a testament to its popularity in software development. Some of the most high traffic websites that using React are Instagram, Uber and Reddit. Along with the upswing in React using is the sure in demand for React.js developer. A highly skilled React developer is involved in the interstage in the development and maintenance of user interface components. Now the next question is what you should already know. Before starting with React.js, you should have intermediate experience in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now the most famous question raising in your mind, what is the basic salary of React developer? So according to Nova is a Canadian company who is research what is the basic salary of React developer. So these are the points, the research based on that point. First is year of the experience, different roles held over the time, level of expertise, special skill, training and certification, and geographic location. In United Kingdom, the salary is $70,903 in Australia $73,497, and in India $11,804. It's an around 8,83,397 rupees, Indian rupees. I hope you got all answer of your question which is raising in your minds. So my next video will be how to create a React app. There will be some installation and we will going to run our first React app on a browser. Thank you. Thanks for watching. For a next video, please subscribe, like and comments. If there is any queries, please comment. We will touch with you with that. Thank you. Thanks for watching.